Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into another secret website, and today's secret website is kind of like a marketplace as well, where you can sell your work and can make money online. So let's dive in. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button guys. I do really appreciate it if you give it a big like. And also consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be get notified about it. Make money online. We have the bunch of the free resources. The link is in description box below. You could simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section. Soon we are going to start with exclusive email newsletter to help you make more money. It's 100% free guys. If you change your mind later, you can unsubscribe whenever you want to. But consider subscribing because it will going to help you a lot. The link is in the description box below. Let's talk about the secret website and what it is all about. For those of you guys who don't know about this channel, who is just watching this video for the very first time, welcome to my channel. Now I make content about creative people making money online. So we cover many topics on our channel, and each and every week I cover a secret website where you can sell your work as an artist, as a designer, as a print-on-demand seller. So let's talk about today's website, what's unique about it and how you can utilize it. Without further ado, let me introduce you to that website. It's the storenvy.com. Maybe you have heard about it, may not be, but do let me know in the comment section below if you have heard about it and are you currently selling on that. But let's talk about how you can sell your work on. So storenvy, the first thing you will gonna see, build and grow your online business one easy platform, easy design and launch a professional customized store and get discovered by millions of shoppers. So it's easy to get started with that. You can open up your store, the only e-commerce platform offering 2 great ways to sell online. Custom online store in just a few minutes, easy design, and launch a professional customized store that looks like your business. Social marketplace. So guys, it's a marketplace. So if you are looking for selling your work, then this is the right website for you. Yes, it's a marketplace. It's not like another print-on-demand service like a Printful, Printify, and Google. It's a marketplace. So that's a big, huge benefit. Your marketplace store allows access to millions of built-in customers. The social marketplace is a simple but powerful way to get discovered by new customers and help empower a world of entrepreneurs just like you easily promote your business. The storenvy marketplace works like a social network for shopping. Grow your storenvy following and gain exposure to new customers. So get watches, get sales, get exposure, get featured. So they also have the facility to feature. If you are getting more sales, getting more followers, getting more favorites, then you are most likely to be featured on their marketplace. It's an amazing platform to sell your work. Easily customize your store to look like your business. No technical skills required. Change colors, text, and banners. You could do a lot more customization like you do on your website. Or if you prefer directly to the HTML and CSS, make your custom store look however you like. So that is great that you could make a customized store on the storenvy. Connect your own domain name to store or link your storenvy to your website and your email tools, the quick setup management tools, promotional tools, discount codes, order fulfillment, inventory management, and more apps and integrations. Mobile optimized store as shopping experience. So let's talk about the pricing. Like marketplace, is it really free to open up a shop on this marketplace or you need to pay for something? Let's talk about that. So fair and simple pricing. So first of all, they also have the free plan. They also have the paid plan. In the free plan, up to 20 products you can upload. Custom store marketplace that starts with your $0 per month. So in the free plan, you can upload only 20 products. So if you're uploading 20 products and you see that you're getting any sales or any traction, any followers, any favorites, then you could very well upgrade your plan. So their plan is, they have a bunch of the options with their plan. Like if you want to upgrade from 20 products, then you have the second plan, that is the artisan, up to 100 products. All free plan features plus storefront ads removed, free custom domain. So you are getting a free custom domain. That's amazing. Up to 25 super discounts, and it's cost you $4.98 per month, or you could pay yearly as well. So I think it's quite affordable plan, $4.98 per month. 100 products, you're getting the custom domain. That's amazing. Then you can increase if you want to upload more products, 500 products, then you could go with their growth plan, which costs you $12.49 per month. then professional up to 5,000, enterprise seller. So they have a variety of the plans on their marketplace which you can very well opt in. But I would highly recommend you to go in the beginning with the free plan. Later on, you could upgrade it to artisan if you're getting any sales, any traction, any followers. Artisan is allowing you to upload 400 products. And then if you want more, then you could very well go with the growth plan, professional, enterprise plan. So they are kind of like having the 5 plans, including the enterprise sellers. So this is the unique about the storenvy. Let's talk about their about section, who they are and why you want to consider selling on their marketplace. Buy directly from world's most awesome indie brands or build your own brand with a free, completely custom online store. Storenvy is home to emerging brands and inspired goods. It's a place where you can launch a custom store in minutes and a place where you will discover amazing, one-of-a-kind things you can't find anywhere else. This is what people are saying. So they have also been featured in the TechCrunch, VentureBait, Forbes, Mashable. So it's a really amazing website where you can sell your work. Store, how you're gonna get paid. So payments for your store can be processed through Stripe, a leading online payment processor, or through PayPal. So they have kind of like a two payment methods, a Stripe and the PayPal. So all of those you guys who don't have a Stripe, then you can very well opt for the PayPal. Let's talk about the integrations because I'm really interested in that kind of stuff because they offer the integration as well. Their integration, do more with storenvy. Zapier lets you connect storenvy with thousands of most popular apps. So you can automate your work and have more time for what matters most. No code required. So they have an integration. So that's amazing. So they are connecting with you Shopify, Google Sheet, Facebook Pages. So 4,000 plus apps you can customize it. Also, they are having integration with Printful, guys. So if you're looking forward to sell your own print-on-demand products, then you could very well integrate with the Printful. That's amazing. Guys, this website is pretty amazing. It's a marketplace where you can sell the physical products, where you can sell your art. If you're creating a physical product, you can sell your original artwork. You could sell your art prints as well. You could integrate very well with the Printful, and you could start with selling your print-on-demand products or different kinds of niches and categories on this marketplace. It's kind of like a similar to the Etsy, guys. On the Etsy, you can also integrate with the Printful and can start selling your print-on-demand products. But on the Etsy, they don't have a kind of like a membership plan. I think they have or they don't have, I don't know. But if you can start selling, then you just need to pay 20 cents per listing that renew in every 4 months. And also renew when you are selling that particular product. But here they have the payment plan. You could get started with the free plan, having a 20 products in the free plan, and then later on, if you feel like it's working well for you, it's working amazing, then you can very well actually upgrade your plan. People are selling them. You could see many people selling the print-on-demand products, integrating it with it, and doing a lot of this stuff on this market. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about today's video. Have you ever tried storenvy, or are you looking for selling on the storenvy? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. And also, guys, if you have any more doubt regarding making money online as a print-on-demand seller, as a designer, as an artist, do let me know if you have any more questions, comments, and queries in the comment section below. I'm gonna consider it for my next upcoming videos if that particular comment or question do require a separate video. If not, then I'm gonna be replying you in the comment section as well. So do let me know if your queries, your comments, because it really helped me keep producing more content for you to help you more, guys. So consider letting me knowing your comments and doubts and your questions in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.